Have you heard of Q10 or coenzyme Q10? Maybe from cosmetics advertising. I'll explain what Q10 really is. Below there is a link where you can find a lot of additional information about Q10 that we've put together in a special PDF for you. Just download this information. I'll explain where Q10 plays a role in the body. Here we have the metabolic pyramid. This is a scheme as I would explain it to my patients. If we eat healthy, with many plants, vegetables, salads, we get about 20,000 micronutrients that the body has to process per second. About 100,000 biochemical reactions take place in our body. This is now metabolized, very complex. The result is here on the top, our body energy ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. This is a universal energy. All the people in the world and all mammals produce ATP. This is our gasoline that gets the body going and that makes us move, makes us think. Without ATP, we are completely shut down. Now, there are preliminary stages. Again, there are thousands of substances in our metabolism, which, if you study biochemistry, you have to know them all. Luckily, that's not the case for me. The last stage, where ATP is formed, this is where the body produces Q10. The other important substance is NADH, which we'll talk about later. Now, when someone is really exhausted, tired, and has no energy, we can restore this energy with Q10 and NADH without intervening into the bottom metabolic area. There are shortcomings here, gaps that we cannot bridge. We do not know which of these nutrients is lacking, but with Q10, we can bypass the whole metabolism and act directly in the forefront. It's like a tunnel. We bypass the whole traffic and put our car directly in front. This is the function of Q10. There are many reasons why Q10 is lowered and not sufficiently available in our body. First and foremost are medications, cholesterol-lowering drugs and beta blockers. If you have been taking cholesterol-lowering drugs regularly for years, then your Q10 level is lowered by more than 50%. That is why such drugs exhaust you in the long run. It can also cause muscle pain as a result of the lack of energy. Statins, cholesterol-lowering drugs, and beta blockers are the worst. But there still is a whole range of other drugs that lower the Q10 level. Many diseases also lead to a deficiency, just your normal aging. As we grow older, the Q10 levels decline. Young people, then older, it becomes less and less. And that is why this is a universal remedy, to help the elderly too, when they are sick and tired, to help them regain more energy. In certain diseases, especially with the brain, Q10 can also have a soothing and improving effect. I'm thinking of MS, Parkinson's, even for dementia patients, everywhere where there are deficiencies. These diseases are ultimately a consequence of the lack of energy in the cells, and that's where Q10 simply has an outstanding effect. The dosage. Q10 supplements are widely available on the market. It takes about 100 milligrams a day for prevention. For severe diseases, such as MS, you should take 200 to 300 milligrams. The safe dose is very high, 800 or 900, with 300 per day, no problem. Every person can take that dosage. It's good for you. Many of these diseases can be treated by yourself.